everyone. It is September 12th, 2018. I just left Briella at Aesthetica and my eyebrows look so good. We filmed the whole thing. Someone in her, like, I am a mess right now. So we filmed the whole thing. I just wanted to show you guys directly after. They look so good. I didn't realize this, but you're supposed to be doing touch-ups a lot more frequently. I haven't been back in 2 years and my eyebrows were like not really there, honestly. This is just crazy. They're obviously a lot darker right now than what they will be, but that's fine. Took about an hour for a touch-up. It did not hurt at all in the beginning. I couldn't feel anything, honestly. And when she went back the second time, I started to be able to feel a little bit more, and then the third time, I definitely felt it. I mean, you can just see the hair like strokes that she has going on in there. She does such a good job. And I'm just gonna be following up with you guys on the healing process. If they scab, when they're itchy, how long until I can work out again, all of that stuff. So I will be checking back in with you guys periodically during this wonderful microblading healing time. So today is day 1 of the eyebrows healing. I tried to get a photo, but I don't have my ring light and I'm sitting in my car, so I thought a video would be better. I'm just gonna take you guys through basically the 12 days or 14 days. So it's a 2-week healing process. This is day 1. I applied a little bit of Aquaphor on them this morning. I let it sit for 10 minutes and then I dabbed it away with a cotton pad pretty lightly, and some pigment did come off. I think that happened when I did my eyebrows 2 years ago as well. So clearly they're very dark. The lines are pretty harsh in here. I don't know if you can see them. They were a lot harsher last night. They've definitely balanced out a lot today. Not super itchy or anything, but it definitely is a pain because you can't wash your face, you can't sweat, so I had to cancel all of my appointments with my trainer for the next like 5 days. I don't really sweat that much, but I'm not trying to risk it because obviously this is expensive to get done. But yeah, this is day 1. It's not itching right now. It's not sore or anything. Obviously they're not red. The hardest part was just not getting them wet. And of course it is thunderstorming today. It's absolutely disgusting out. So thank God for my raincoat. It's day 3 of my eyebrows. This morning I went and got a massage because my shoulder's been bothering me in the worst way. And if you've gotten a massage before, you know that you're like face down and your face is smushed into something. And I was just nervous that my eyebrows were gonna be like imprinted on there and they were all gonna come off, but they're fine. This is day 3. They are not really getting itchy yet. You can see where my eyebrows were before. I guess she moved them up a little bit. She didn't explain that, but that's clearly what she did. The harsh strokes on this side are definitely fading a lot. When I first came home, they were like super, super clean, and then they just fade. That's what they always do. So this is day 3, not a lot of pain, discomfort, itching, or anything like that, but I am definitely trying to be super conscious of not having them overly saturated or wet or anything like that, but so far so good. Good morning, everyone. It has been a couple days since I last checked in. I think it's been 3, but I wanted to just give you obviously an update on my eyebrows. So they are obviously fading a lot. You can see down here where my original line was, and there was a line a little bit higher, but it is just not as sharp anymore. Obviously you can tell in the front, the strokes are not as sharp either. They just kind of like fade out and give you some color. Not really anywhere peeling except like right here above my eyebrow. They're still like not itchy at all. I don't know if it's just because I'm used to it from getting them done 2 years ago. But so far the healing process is going fine. So surprisingly, from not washing my face from the last week, my skin actually looks really, really good. I do have a lot of red pigment, but I've been sticking to my skincare routine, and I think I've only worn makeup like twice for a couple hours since I've gotten them done. So My skin looks so good and feels so good right now. And yeah, the eyebrows look really good. Not a lot of places have fallen off. I've noticed down here, the pigment came out. I have a scar there. So I don't think any pigment is ever going to stick to that area just because it's scar tissue there. I think this is 8 days, so I still have until next week until I am fully healed and can go back to working out extra hard and washing my face. Hey everyone! Wow, I am an oil slick right now. I can't wait to return this stupid powder I bought. I think it's day 8 of me having my eyebrows microbladed, and this is the most makeup I have worn since I got them done last week. I've really been trying to just let them heal, so they look really good. I obviously don't have any makeup on them. Funny story for why I do have a full face of makeup on. I purchased a blackhead remover, like wrinkle, I don't know. I purchased this tool off of Amazon, and it is supposed to suck out all of your blackheads and impurities, blah, 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 blah. I used it for the first time yesterday. So it was on the absolute lowest filter yesterday. My skin looks so good, I think it's a filter. So it was on the absolute lowest setting yesterday, and I didn't realize how goddamn strong that was going to be. It was insane. To start out, I used it on my chin, and how I placed it, I guess I didn't realize how strong it was going to be, and I have a bruise going across my whole bottom lip across my chin. It is so bad. That's how strong the thing is. And I have a bruise right underneath my eye. Obviously, I'm wearing makeup to cover it, but so forewarning, if you do purchase a blackhead sucking machine, be careful because I damaged the shit out of my face last night. Hello everyone, it is day 13 of my microblading touch-up, and I washed my face last night. I couldn't take it. It was day 12. I'm like, they already look like they're not going to change at all, so I finally washed my face, and it felt so good. This is basically the final product. I think I've mentioned this before, but I do have scarring from chickenpox when I was little, so there are just like over here. Of course, I'm being anal about it because I know what my face looks like. I'll probably need to have her touch them up a little bit on the side because in here a chunk fell out, so it's not like a super clean line, and obviously you can still tell from where my previous line went, so I don't think she'll be able to fix that, but I don't know. This area just doesn't look very clean the way it healed. So I think they healed up pretty nice. It's just a couple places that definitely need to be touched up, especially for $175 and for the next 7 months. I want them to just be like clean and perfect. But besides that, healing process wasn't bad at all. They definitely were peeling a little bit, but nothing that I couldn't handle. I definitely wore makeup sometimes, not a lot though. If you do have any questions regarding microblading, please just leave them in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.